Folks, thanks for coming back. We got Quaid on the line. Quaid, I can't see. Okay. And he appears to be gone right now. So, let's see if we can get him back online. Because okay, yeah, it just happened. Yeah. Something happened. Okay, so we did have some rotation. There was a big old storm moving through about to move through Lavaca. Quaid, if you're watching, call me right now. Let's see if he'll get a hold. See if I can get a hold of him for y'all. That's some very, very strong winds. Had 31-mile-an-hour winds move through the station right now. Good grief. Like he's not wanting to answer, and there's a big old thunderstorm. Strong winds, probably about the same mile-an-hour winds, probably about 30, 40-mile-an-hour winds about to move through Lavaca. Let's see if I can get him on the line right now. Powerful storm right now, right there.
Hey.
Hey, if you'd like, let's do an interview right now, because you're about to get hammered with a big old storm.
Are you serious? Yeah, I'm seeing it. It's
Yeah.
dark, and we're getting a lot of rotation over here.
Yeah, get on the Google Hangout so I can interview you. So we're gonna see if I can get him on the line. Okay. Can't see your image, Quaid. Alright, now I can.
I'm losing signal with you.
Alright, turn the camera on. Let's see what you can see right now. Oh gosh, if you turn your head, you can see all of that rotation right there moving with that cell. Now, once that cell gets over his area, he's going to be seeing it probably about the same winds we got here. Our weather station clocked in about 31-mile-an-hour winds, so he'll probably be seeing it. He'll probably see about 31. So, thank you for your time, Quaid, and we'll see you later. That was Quaid. Now, he's out here. The storm is about to move over him. Once that storm gets over him, he's going to be seeing very crazy winds and very crazy rain. Now, that's not the dry line. Looks like some very gusty winds about to move through Lavaca. Let's see. Let me put this on the Snapchat for y'all. This is about to move through Lavaca. So take cover now, because I already witnessed it, and I think we had a tornado. I'm not for sure. We've had some very strong rotation down here. And that's not the actual, we're not done yet. There's still the line to go, and it's, even though it's not here, it's looking impressive for sure. There's a good core on that winds, and that's probably about 65-mile-an-hour winds about to move through. It looks like some very big storms about moving through Lavaca right now. So if you're in Lavaca, you're probably seeing some very heavy rain. Yeah, you're seeing some very heavy rain. The news to be a thunderstorm warning out for Latimer, Haskell, and very eastern part of LaFleur. Another severe thunderstorm warning out here. This is for Crawford, Franklin, Sebastian. What we got here was insane. About 31-mile-an-hour winds here in Greenwood. And it was very dark. Very, very dark. Yeah, okay, and I got a video of that. I'll post this to my channel. So let's see. Okay, if you're watching right now, we got a tornado warning. Oh my god. Let's go. I don't know what my thing's doing. Here it is. So here's where that rotation is going to be. Just east of Lavaca. Let's go to, there's a tornado warning, and it looks like there's about 50 mile an hour winds. 55, 60. This is moving northeast, so this is out of Lavaca right now. So on the west side it's calm, but on the east side it's still going. This is a rotation. Actually, some good old size hail, probably about quarter size at least. Moving through the area right now, so do stay alert. This is just between Lavaca and Charleston. This is moving to Cecil and Ozark in that direction. So do stay with us and we'll get you through this. So this is now moving. It looks like a good core wind's probably about, what is that, about 65 at least. This is about to move through Cecil. That's about a good core wind. Let's take Storm Track off because you can't see what's going on. I said to go off. It's about 65 at least. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so that's definitely the area. So if there was a tornado, it'd spin up. That's where it's going to be, and it's going to move northeast to Cecil and to Webb City and Ozark. So we're going to keep you updated right now. So just stay alert and stay with us, and we'll keep you updated. Let's see. This is moving north, so it's moving out of the main part. So West Lavaca, you'll probably see heavy rain. The bad stuff is about to move through. It's moving through Charleston right now. It's a good outflow winds. Look at this. This is a good old storm. So if you are in the tornado warning area, do take shelter right now. As a rotating thunderstorm just east of Lavaca and north of Charleston. As a possible tornado could be on the ground. Let's see, how much mile-an-hour winds is this going at? Wow, this could be an actual tornado on the ground. So do stay with us. We're going to keep you updated. Stay right here. This is Rain Wrap, so don't try to get a video of this. Go to your safe shelter right now. This is definitely moving through. This could be a very strong. This is going to be a very strong. Could be a moderate. If there's a tornado on the ground, it could be moderate. Probably about EF1. It has about 85 to 90 mile an hour winds on it. So stay with us, and we'll get you through this. Let's go to 4 panels right now. I'm for sure this thing could do something. Okay, let's go back down. That could actually be a tornado on the ground right there. That could actually be it. So this county road's going to get affected. So that's like county roads. Just if you're in Franklin County, you could be affected. Just north of Charleston, east of Lavaca. Thankfully, this is not going to Lavaca. This could be an actual storm. This could actually be 2 storms. I have never seen this. I've never seen a 2 storms in one before. So this is what. And we got a live cover. So Quaid's on that phone right now. So let's see what he has to say. He's live in Lavaca. Quaid.
Yeah, we just got hammered really hard. Our power went out. We are getting hit with intense winds. I have incredible footage for you, Austin. You're gonna love it.
Okay, we got two rotating thunderstorms in one cell packed in a thunderstorm. I've never seen this before. We're gonna track it for y'all live.
Austin. They're right over me.
Okay, so his location's gonna be right here where I am circling right now. So very intense thunderstorm. So if you'll send that in to either lhsweather@gmail.com or put it on, just send it to me via text, that would be great, and we will try to get it posted on here. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. That was Quaid in Lavaca, where he says that got some power outages there in Lavaca, possible tornado. There's possibly 2 tornadoes that we are watching right now. So if you are with us and the winds did not update, so I'm going to have to go by to what I see. It's right here, and right here. There's 3 now. There is 3. Get to a safe shelter right now. There's 3 of them right now. Just east of Lavaca, north of Charleston. This is head to Branch. No, not Branch. Cecil and Ozark and Webb City. Get to your immediate tornado shelter right now. This thing is producing at least 90. This pixel shows about 100 mile an hour. And this isn't far off the ground. It's only about 1,000 feet off the ground. So this could be actually something. Trying to produce 2 cells in 1. So get to your tornado shelters right now. This is insane. And you just heard from Quaid that the power went out. He had some footage. So it looks like we got nope. That's not it. So that's incredible footage about to come in. And I will post that as soon as that gets in. I'm going to post that. And we got another severe thunderstorm warning for that area. That could be producing about 65 mile an hour winds in front of it. Right now we're focused on this tornado, possibly on the ground near. This is 2 cells. I'm just gonna say these are both rotating into each other. So this could be something we're going to have to keep an eye on. This is about to move into Cecil. This has probably about 70. This has already about 75. We're going to keep an eye on it for y'all. We're waiting for some footage to come in. This is going to be crazy. And it looks like we got a confirmed tornado on the ground. This is a radar confirmed tornado, so get in your safe shelters now. This is a tornado moving to Cecil. This tornado could be on the ground, moving to Cecil right now. These are 2 tornadic storms. These could be 2 tornadoes. Twin, 2x2, both spinning together tornadoes on the ground. You got one hook right here, and you got another one right here. These both could collide and move into Cecil, so one of them could be on the ground, one of them may not. They both may be on the ground. They both may just be spinning as a funnel, but to get your tornado shelters right now. I am seeing this as possibility on the ground, and there's an outflow boundary from this, and it is insane. It looks like these both are merging together, so that's crazy. This could be an actual tornado on the ground. Has probably a very weak tornado on the ground moving into Cecil. That area. So if you're in that area, take your tornado precautions now, as a very violent storm is about to move in. The power's starting to flicker here at the studio. So get in your tornado shelter now. Let's see if we can go to rotation on our 3D analyzer. Yeah, let's look at our rotation on 3D analyzer, and there he goes. Okay. Let's try to get back on it, and yeah, you can see it. You can see the rotation right in there, and that is moving into Cecil right now. Let's see here. Alright, we're gonna go. We are doing our best to stay on the air right now. With the power flickering and all that, we're doing our best to stay in the air, and my phone's at 12%, but I'm gonna keep y'all safe right now. So I'm gonna keep doing web curves until this thing's at 5. So here, let's go. Here we go. You're looking at. So are y'all ready? Y'all ready to go? 3, 2, 1, go.
Now, severe weather coverage with Austin Daigle.
Okay, guys, so if you're just joining us, we do have a tornado warning with a tornado on the ground near Cecil. This is moving into Cecil, so do stay tuned as we do coverage. This could be a tornado that just a little bit ago on the ground. It's moving into Cecil right now. Very powerful winds, probably about 60 mile per hour at least. This is going to move into Webb City. Let's see. It should be in Webb City in probably the next 5 to 10 minutes, and Ozark in probably the next 10 minutes at least. 5-10 minutes for both cities. So do stay alert about what's about to go through. We got another good round pushing through the Greenwood area. This is probably about 40. Let's keep you updated. What's going on right here? I'm gonna go check and see what's going on. So everything's looking good here at the station. Everything's holding up. That's great. That's good news. That's very good news. It's over Cecil right now. So if you're in Cecil, take your tornado precautions. You should be in your tornado precautions right now. I shouldn't have to say that. You should be in there right now, as this could be a tornado on the ground in Cecil, moving into Ozark. Do take your tornado precautions right now. Let's see. So this is radar confirmed tornado. I'm still waiting. If you're out there, I'm still waiting for the thing. So we're gonna once this video gets loaded in, I will put it up there and I will show y'all what I was talking about. So let's see here. This is now about to move into Johnson County. Now this isn't the main line. The main line is still out there. Actually, it's about to move into Johnson County, northern Logan County. It's about to go. It's still hammering. Greenwood, still some developing their fortune. Now this is the main line. That's the dry line. This is the dry line out here. This is what's causing these. These are going to be the most severe, but these right now are just developed by daytime heating, moisture, and a very unstable atmosphere. Looks like another core wind's about to go through eastern Lavaca, moving through Bloomer right now. It's probably about 65 miles an hour winds at least. We had a rotation here in Cecil. Let's see. I don't have any damage reports right now. If you do have any damage reports, send those in. Send those to the National Weather Service. Send them in to me. I'm doing everything I can right now. Let me put this and see. Let me let some people know what's going on. Okay, so alright, so I'm trying to find out what's going on. Got some new video from Mr. Dilly, my band director right now. Let's see what's going on. Looks like some very crazy atmospheres out there. So let's see here. Okay, so that's moving through right now into Cecil. It's about to move into Ozark in probably the next few minutes. Webb City. I know y'all are watching right now. I thank y'all for that. I'm doing my best to keep an eye on this for all y'all. Heavy rain moving through Lavaca right now. We got another severe Let's see. Wait, what's this one? This is a new severe thunderstorm warning. This is this is severe thunderstorm warning for southern Franklin, west central Arkansas, southern Sebastian, and west central Arkansas. So another severe thunderstorm warning for right here. This is for the 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. We're still tracking this tornado near Cecil. This should be off the ground by now. We got a new severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sebastian County. So as I am looking right now. Okay. So yeah, we're watching that right now. Okay, so that's moving through Cecil. There's some heavy stuff moving through Lavaca, east side into Lavaca right now, as I should say. Let's see. I do have some damage reports from the. I looked looked at some of the damage imagery from Mountain Berg, and it looks impressive. There's trees destroyed, just ripped out of the ground. There's buildings destroyed. It's crazy. There was a tornado up there earlier that we were tracking. This is now moving out of Cecil, but this doesn't look to be... Let's go to our rotation map. This doesn't look to be anything else. It looks like to be straightening up. That's good, and that's really good. Unless that's some rotation, so let's go and look at our correlation function, and no. So it looks like that tornado warning should be expiring soon. We're still watching some strong winds on it, so we'll keep an eye on that. This whole storm system is now coming together, so looks like there's some still watching this right here. This has about a 40 at least. Let's see here. That's about to go through Ozark. Gosh, we got another line about to come through in a little bit. This is the main line. We got another line starting to develop here in Fort Smith. I want to keep an eye on this one, as this one could be, as it's moving slow, it could be in another actual storm. Now we got some more gusty winds out here near Greenwood. I'm gonna say the southeastern tip of Greenwood's under severe thunderstorm warning. Lavaca, you're not. It may be raining hard, but you're not right now. Even though there's some very intense winds on the east side of Lavaca. Ozark, you're still in a tornado warning. Get your safe shelter right now. I don't see anything right now, but that doesn't mean it could change because the atmosphere is very unstable right now. Let's see what's going on. We got flash flooding going on. I wouldn't be surprised that do watch out for flash flooding too. So if you're out driving, watch out for flash flooding, because that's going to be a big issue, and some of these training affect thunderstorms. So do watch for flash flooding. Okay, so we got some flooding issues here, so we're going to keep an eye on that. As you can see, let's see, so that's still going out there, and it looks like that rotation's weakened. That's good. More weather developing out on the dry line, and then that will be it. Okay, so do be alert for flooding. Another kink right there. Ooh, it's not much. That's about to go through Greenwood. It's probably about 45 mile-an-hour winds. Definitely about to blow through the Greenwood area. And that's definitely a good core wind's gonna go through Greenwood any moment. Does this have any hail on it? There's a little bit near Midland and Huntington, probably about pea-sized hail. Now, this tornado warning, it should be expiring soon. I don't see any more, but we're going to keep an eye on it, though. strong winds moving through. It's a good core winds moving through eastern Slovakia. Probably about 65-mile-an-hour winds. Probably crazy right there. Still, the development of the dry line storms are still ongoing, and they're already strong. So be prepared. We're not done yet. We haven't even gone through the dry line. So do this. So stay tuned for severe weather coverage. Okay, let's see here. It looks like there's some more. Let's look out here. Yeah, there's a little bit of rotation starting to come through. That's just north of Ozark. All right, let's go. Let's see. So there's just some little bit more rotation still near Ozark. You can actually look at this on radar. This is actually pretty cool to see. Near Ozark, good old storm developing near Greenwood.
Why are you in the bathroom? Get out, I gotta pee. Well, I didn't know you were in here.
So, right now I'm trying to move because everyone in my household will not quiet during the coverage. Okay, I'm back in my home studios, as you can see. Thank the Lord. Got some very heavy rain about to moving through right now. Skycam, I don't know if it's a lot. Oh, there's lightning strikes everywhere. Put Skycam in. I literally just took Skycam out. I didn't realize it was in the crazy rain. That's bad. I don't know if you'll be able to look at Skycam. It's been mangled around, let's just say that. That's the last image of Skycam. That's the last image of Skycam. Let's do another one. Okay, this is not working out well. This is what happens when you move so many times. You can probably hear all that rain. New severe thunderstorm warning for, there it is, there's Skycam. Oh gosh. I don't know what's going on. New severe thunderstorm warning for our area right now. That's what Skycam looks like. It's crazy. Go back to radar and you see another severe thunderstorm warning for Scott County, Oak County. Then there's a tornado warning down here. I don't see rotation on it, so okay. So it looks like another line starting to develop. This one has 55. Okay, that one actually looks strong on radar. So we're gonna definitely keep an eye on that because that's the full line gonna move through in a little bit. That's the actual line. So while this is trying to form, that's my head. You can't see anything else going right now. I'm trying to put Skycam out here. There we go. Okay, let's see if Skycam's okay. That's out of Skycam right now. I don't know. That's full screen. As you see, is more weather out to our west. Yeah, there's still some more weather out to our west. That's what Skycam looks like right now, where it is raining very hard here at the station. Those low clouds moving really fast. That's a look at live cam. That's live look at Skycam. Here's more storms developing out to our west. Don't worry, guys. This is not going to be round after round after round. We just got a few more to go, and we will be good. We got more developing here. This is the dry line is out here near McAllister. The dry line's in McAllister. It's moving our way. We will see relief in a little bit. Until then, we are going to have to deal with these severe thunderstorms. And this one appears to be tracking to the north. This will be here probably about. This whole line is going to be here in probably about the next hour or two. Stuff should start. It should start calming down. Let's go back. Some more. Let's go back to this tornado warning out here. Yeah, a little bit. I'm still keeping an eye on it. I don't like this plug. And this plug is one of the difficult. Y'all probably can tell I'm stressed out because of everything going on right now at the same time. It's not good for my health. And okay, so let me see if I can get a hold of Quaid, one of our reporters out there. See how he's doing right now. Right now, just a second. Okay. Okay. So let's talk with Quaid. Quaid, how's everything going in Levack right now?
Oh, it's going good. My yard is flooded. The worst part seems to have passed. The hail is passed.
Yeah,
but
our
my yard
creek
is flooded, and the creek beside my yard is.
Yeah, our creek right now is at significant flood stage. Yeah, we received 1.81 inches of rain already. Probably more. And that was like 10 minutes ago.
But yeah, my power's out, and I can't really.
Can you send the video so I can show the viewers?
Yes.
Okay, send that. I don't know, how big of a video is it?
It'll be pretty big. It'll be in 4K 60.
Okay, let's see. I will give you the I'll send you the password to the channel so you can just upload it on there.
Cool.
Okay. That's one of our reporters from Lavaca. He has got more info on this, and if you look, I'm looking at the creek right now, and it looks difficult. I mean, it's wow. Just wow. That's all I can say is wow. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get a video of this. This is cool. It's crazy. It's crazy right now.
Austin, did you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, come on, man.
Okay. I'm telling you, I can't get through anything without people interrupting my coverage. Okay. So. Alright, peace and quiet, hopefully. I'm gonna tell you now, you never get peace and quiet anywhere you go in the world. Even if it's been untouched. Okay, so we got a tornado warning for, this may expire. There's still a little bit of weak rotation, but not very much. Big ol' severe thunderstorm warning out here. I got a new tornado warning out. This is a very small one. I don't know why they issued that one. I can't tell. I got severe weather just popping up all over the place right now. It's just popping up now, so yeah. I used to be severe warned until it weakened. So now as the whole line is starting to develop, we should get in more and some heavy rain a little bit, and just a second. Okay, so, let's see here. Still severe thunderstorm warning. This is, going out till 6:30. It is right now 6:21, so this will probably expire in about, 9 minutes, at least. Big stuff. There's a big core of hail just, west, just near Washburn, between this is just southeast of Jack Nolan Lake, probably about nickel-sized hail. Quarter nickel-sized hail. Okay, let's see. What do we got left? I'm thinking this one's gonna come through our area. I'm keep an eye on it. This whole line is moving through. This could be causing flash flooding. So if you run into flash flooding, turn around. Don't drown. Don't do anything stupid. Okay, yeah. So we will be back with live coverage. Welcome back, y'all, to severe weather coverage. It's crazy. What's going on? Let me see if I can pull up some pictures real quick. I want to show y'all. See if I can get some pictures pulled up. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let me go to Skycam while we try to pull up. As you see, let's see if I can pull this up. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm just going to show y'all on the internet and show y'all what's going on. Okay, let's go to full screen. Look at this. This is some of the damage here in Lavaca. I mean, sorry, not Lavaca, Mountainburg. Good grief, look at that. This went into downtown Mountainburg. Wow. Look at that street sign. Jesus. Looks like something's going on. Trying to pull up some storm damage. Let y'all know what's going on. Let's go back. Got another one. This is the 60-mile-an-hour wind gust. This cell looks like it appears to be moving to Lavaca. Greenwood, Mocola. I don't know if Portsmouth will get clipped. This one, pretty strong cell. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Okay. This one expires. Okay, new severe thunderstorm warning. Right out here. That's a good size. Good size. Let's see here. What was just announced? Looks like new severe thunderstorm warning up here. That's a big old thunderstorm. Let's see. This is until 7:15. This is Central Franklin, West Central Arkansas, East Central Sebastian. So that's probably for this storm right here. Yeah, it's that storm right there. That could have 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, quarter-size hail in this issue for that one right there. That's about to move through Charleston Branch. That has 65. So do be alert about that. Let me pull up some of the images from the tornado. Let's see. I don't see any. Let's see. That's all I can find. right here. Look at that. This is all in, that's not it. Look at this. This is crazy. It's tornado damage out there. That's crazy. That's very crazy. So that appears to be what's going on in Mountainburg right now. So we're still watching another downburst, probably microburst going on right now. And there, some of these it looks like a big training effect going on. So that means we could be seeing some flash flooding, like we got here right now. So do be alert about that. We got some flash flooding going on. We still got one more round to go. Let me show you by what I mean by Skycam. Skycam starting to get dark again. Yeah, Skycam starting to get dark again. That creek looks to be okay. Let me go look at it. We got more severe weather moving through. Let's see. Been on the air for about an hour and 23 minutes. Jesus Christ. So here's the development line. So we got one more. So see this line right here? This is the last line of this is the last of it. This is the last of that of the severe weather. Of the severe weather. Let me see if I can find my reports. Okay, so big old severe thunderstorm warning out. Look at this. Look at that. That's a big outburst. That's probably send your pictures in. If you're out in Clarksville right now, send your pictures in. That may be an actual shelf cloud. That could be a shelf cloud trying to form right there. So that'd be cool to see. So if you're out there, send your pictures to us. Please send the pictures of that. And that's a good old thunderstorm heading that way. Let's see what's going on. Let's see, so we're still watching this one. The whole line's developing, so you may get something to develop on you, and that may be the strongest part of any storms. This was a big old line of severe storms and moving through, let's see, Scott County, Logan County. Looks like there's a big old gust. Wait, let's play that. So that is definitely an outburst. Jesus, that's strong. This is in Charleston right now, so you've probably seen a lot of rain right there. Skies are starting to darken up here, and got some weird cloud formations. A lot of rain, so we still got some rain to go. We got report. It looks like we got a report up here. Looks like an NWS employee reported 1-inch size hail estimated, just 6 miles west of Ozark. So send in your reports, and we will tell them live right now. Okay, so let's see. So that's the line right there. So there's still stuff in front of it. So that's the actual line. Okay, so that's going to be moving through probably in a little bit. Tallahena, you're infected by this. That's moving towards our area. Once this little batch area cleans up, we're gonna have a little break, and then another one's gonna move through, and that looks to be the end of it. And then all that severe weather is gonna move to the east. The Midwest, we'd be getting hammered by everything again, but it's moving east, which is good. It's like some rotation here. Let's go here. Let's see. It looks like there's a little area just north of Mina, just west of Y City, near Rich Mountain, that area. It's cool. Looks like it's a tornado warning out here. Oh, another report of a tornado. Tornado on the ground reported by broadcast media. 8 miles east of DeKalb, Texas. No, that's in the county is Bowie, Texas. Okay, so there was a tornado down there. Looks like these lines are developing. We already reported that. 55-mile-an-hour winds. Look at this. Look in front of this. In front of this has about 60-mile-an-hour winds, at least in front of this. So it's gonna get dark again, and yeah, it's gonna get dark. It's gonna be severe weather moving through. It's gonna be crazy. So still be on your tornado precautions because anything can develop. See, since we're still not ahead of that cold front dry line area, anything could develop, and we could get some more severe weather. I'm gonna watch this one. Got some weird cloud formations out here near at our station. Let's